Hello, in this video I'm going to do unboxing of my new therapy light from LightpathLED. So if you are interested in handheld red light therapy devices you can take with you wherever you go, please stay with me. LightpathLED was recently upgrading their handheld devices and they agreed to send me for free their new model, which contains 3 therapeutic wavelengths. And I've just got it. Hopefully this is in this box, and I'm going to unbox it for you so you can see what you can expect from receiving this item and my first impression about it. But this video is not sponsored and I am affiliated with them, so if you are interested in this particular model or other lights from their offer, you can purchase them using my name as a coupon code and you will have a discount. Okay, so let's get unboxing this light. So we've got box in the box. Here we've got a box with some codes. All right, and oh, that's actually larger than I expected. Have a look at this. This is LightpathLED. Have a look. And then what else if we've got in the box? So we've got the light. We've got the covering carrying pouch. Nice fluffy material. We've got protective goggles. We've got charger for England, but of course if you order it from your country you will receive the appropriate plug for your country. And we've got USB cable to USB-C cable. So actually, yeah, so you've got here, and then we plug it to the light. If you can find a place to plug it, yeah, it's here. It's charger. So here, and that's it. There's nothing else in the box. Just these items. So what I need to do now, I need to charge it, and then of course I will show you how to use it. Let's turn the switch on and see how it works. Alright, so I hold it for like 1 second and the light started to shine. As you see, this has got 3 wavelengths, so you've got 3 red, 3 near infrared here, then you've got 4 blue lights, and then at the bottom you've got another 3 red and another 3 near infrared. So altogether we've got 6 red, 6 near infrared and 4 blue. So this is a very interesting combination of light. So the red one will be 660, the near infrared will be 850 nanometer, and the blue is 415 nanometer. So at the moment what I can see, it's just the timer shows now 9 minutes, so probably it's set up to 10 minutes. So it's like a setup timer for 10 minutes, and the light will turn off automatically after 10 minutes of the session. But of course I can turn it off easier, sooner if I need to. The light feels quite large, so let me see if I can show you how it would work on what sort of area I can shine on. It shows you the indication of the area you can expect to cover with this light. And let's do the face therapy. Very bright, very bright. definitely I would need to use goggles with it if I do on face, because the light is very bright for my eyes. So it looks very nice. How many diodes we've got? We've got 5 here, and 6, so 16 LEDs. As I said before, 6 red, 6 near infrared, and 4 blue. So let's do some closer look. So as you see, the light LEDs like this. Then you've got the control panel here. Then you've got the back of the light and bottom and top. And then if we turn it on, when we turn it on, it just shows you how much battery has got, and then the timer. And then as you do the therapy, of course, the timer will show 9, 8, and it will switch off the light. I haven't figured it out yet, but I don't think you can adjust the timer. So basically you just start from 10 minutes, and then if you want to do it just 3 minutes, then you just turn it off when it's 7 minutes, or you can just leave it for 10 minutes as a standard session. And as you see, the LEDs, so you've got red here, red there. They've got 4 blue LEDs and 6 near infrared, which of course we cannot see because that light is invisible to our eyes. And if you want to switch the light before the session is over, or as you see, it now shows 1 minute's already gone. So now another 9 minutes of the session remained. But if we want to turn it off earlier, we just press this for about 1 second and the light is off. So this is how it looks. So I'm very curious, and I decided to get my scales and measure how much this light weighs. So let's just put it on the scales. Turn it on, 0, and here it is, 571 gram. So let's just check if we are going to take the whole equipment with us, how much we would need to carry to take it with us wherever we go. Okay, so we got the carrying bag, we've got the light, we've got the goggles, and we've got the charging cable. Okay, so altogether 698 grams. So this is how much it weighs to carry all this thing and all this equipment you need to take it with you and do light therapy wherever you go. So you can judge, is it light enough for you? Is it too much, or just about right? It depends, of course, how much luggage you take with you to wherever you go. So I hope this video was helpful to see what does this new light look like, and the main features, and what you can expect to get out of the box. If you are interested in more information about this light, please check the link in the video description below. And if you are ready to purchase it, use my name as a coupon code and you will have it cheaper. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.